The Gaelic Otherworld was a realm beyond linear time, a parallel world inhabited by the Aes She, otherwise known as the fairies. This realm shaped much of the daily life and the psyche of our Irish ancestors. In this 6-part series, we explore Carl Jung's concept of individuation and the role of the Numinous in psychological transformation and trauma healing. We encounter the wisdom of the ancestors and their ways of seeing and being in the world, or as Yeats called it, the condition of quiet that is the condition of vision. This series brings to life themes of loss and grief, rites of passage, initiation and transformation in a mytho-poetic approach to healing trauma, where I use Irish folklore, myth, image, story, metaphor and archetype to illuminate your own connection to your inner world and soul self. This is an odyssey of the soul and spirit, of personal development and discovery that honours not just ourselves, but our ancestors.